My name is Greg Butler.
Brooks Butler.
Catherine Butler.
Max Butler.
Weston Butler.
So guys, how do you like the pier?
We love it. Yeah, it's great. I mean, it's been a tradition for as long as I can remember. So
what all do you guys do out there?
fish, hang out. I love going down there in the morning. It's really pretty if it's really flat and quiet.
Sometimes these guys jump off the end.
Yeah, sometimes we swim. Rarely, but sometimes.
So how do you guys like the decking that was chosen?
I mean, it's nice to have a promise that it's not gonna be gone 1 year. Like, we're pretty confident that it's gonna last us a while, and we appreciate it about like just how the safety in it.
Okay. Well, how does it feel to walk on it? Their feet.
Good.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice not to worry about splinters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That helps.
Yep. That's big deal.
Just had a bad tropical storm that stayed out there and bit it from underneath the waves and knocked off like Kontiki-sized rafts.
Mm-hmm.
It stayed together with all our expensive screws, but it didn't last. And then we just decided if we were going to live here, and then the Johansons down the way, they built their ThruFlow pier at the same time we were constructing our wooden one.
Sure.
And theirs lasted beautifully through that storm that tore up our wooden one.
How is theirs holding up to today?
Beautifully.
Everybody would go to ThruFlow, then we'd all
Yeah.
be in good shape.
Yeah.
No piers would ever die again.
It would
Right.
be. And yeah. Fishing has improved. I don't know how that's happened.
Yeah, how did they do that?
Yeah,
We started
truly,
catching redfish,
like,
40-inch redfish, as soon as the pier was
So are you
finished.
going on record right now saying that the ThruFlow decking
attracted
increases
fish.
the amount of the fish that you
Size.
You
Size,
I know.
quantity.
I know that you believe in belief. Okay.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So you know about the fisher
I
and
do.
the loaves. Okay.
Yes.
It happens.
It depends on which side of the pier you cast your net.
It depends upon your outlook. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
That's right.
I mean, any fisherman will tell you that.
Well, we thought it was a miracle that the pier was there
Oh, okay.
after
Yeah.
barrel, because
Yeah.
it was much like
It was a test.
we
So
had
you were
we,
worried.
we had a broken pier for 5 years,
Yeah.
and we
And
hemmed it
fix-
hard. We would fix a little bit, and it would blow away.
Mhm.
And we were hesitant to spend the money on the ThruFlow. We knew about it, and we got a bid several years ago to do it, but we
And-
didn't pull the trigger.
Right.
So finally, we decided this is something we need to do for the family, for the grandchildren.
If we're going to live like the Bay, it's real frustrating not to have a pier when that's the reason you're there.
And so
It's another world. It
Sure.
can be hot here, and you step on that pier, and it's a transition.
Okay.
It's ethereal, right?
So they do say that they have materials in it that keep it from being really hot on the surface of the pier.
It's not hot at
It's
all.
not
It's
hot.
not hot at all. Okay.
No.
the pier was undamaged by the 40 teenagers.
Mhm.
There was a big party. The golf carts were going up and back, and it's pristine.
Right.
There was a period of 12 to 20 hours where this pier was underwater. You
Oh, I
couldn't
see.
see it. And so we were all
But
wondering, is
Yeah.
it going to be there when the water resides?
yeah.
Describe for me how rough the waters were.
The water was up to this palm tree almost.
Oh wow.
So the entire structure was underwater. You could see the top portion of the roof over the boathouse.
How satisfied are you with the performance of the product thus far?
We're ecstatic.
Okay.
It's fantastic. I love the consistency of it. You know, the old wooden decks get warped and they get bendy, and the ThruFlow is just true. You know where you know where your feet are going to land, and it's nice for the golf cart. It's not bouncy. That's what I love.
I love how clean it is. Very clean, and I like clean.
Yep.
And it'll just wash.
And of course, the waves, when the water does rise, man, it's cool. The waves just flow right through it. There's no impact.
It's beautiful.
The aesthetics of
The waves used to pound the wooden piers, and you could see it just buckling and pulling on the screws. But with this ThruFlow, it's just like butter. It's cool to watch.
So it's it makes a family happy.
Yes. And it is sharp too. It just
It looks good. Yeah.
we have so many pictures on your phone. Everybody just goes out in the morning and takes pictures of the
The
pier.
same picture all the time. We'll just keep doing it.
Would you recommend ThruFlow decking to anyone who's building it?
The multitudes.
Absolutely. It's the only way to go, I think.
For sure. Yeah.